Yeah, and it was actually a project that was identified through the Angel CD network, and it was one that would have, if it had turned out, it would have meant the building of a community structure that would house several community organization where they could share administrative support and they could share resources through an office setting, share their rent, and it would be cheaper for these community organizations to run. But it would also have a housing component where persons who lived on limited income would live in one level of it, and they could access some of the community resources that would have been housed there, such as a detox and counseling services, some financial aid, those types of things. It was a very good idea. There was some interest in it, but the key stakeholders were not interested in the project, and there was 2 years' work put into developing a business plan and looking at the feasibility of it, trying to pull partners together and identify where they would take on a role. A lot of work went into it, a lot of time, but in the end it didn't materialize, largely because the key stakeholders weren't interested in getting on board. And if you don't have that kind of buy-in, if you cannot get your municipality or some of your other key stakeholders involved, unfortunately, sometimes things do need to come to an end. And again, a lot of ideas are very good. They're excellent ideas and they may be gaps or priorities, but you need to have the people that are going to take them forward and take them to the next level. And if those people are not there or cannot, for whatever reason, take on that role, then we need to set them on the back burner until timing is right. And timing is very key in knowing what your community will be able to do.